After you've submitted a self-referral form on our website, one of our clinical leads will review this information and share with the admin team the best suitable clinician for you. We aim to provide a range of appointments to suit your lifestyle and needs. There may be a waiting list for specific services, and as such we'll keep you fully informed on the progress of your referral. Our admin team may need to ask additional questions, and we ask that you provide honest and accurate answers. Once an appointment has been confirmed by you, we will email you confirmation of this, and we ask that you check over this information to ensure that it's accurate. We will also send you our practice welcome pack with some useful information for you to read over about what to expect. We want to ensure that when you arrive at the practice you feel as relaxed as possible, and therefore we do ask for appointments to be settled in advance. If you have any questions or queries ahead of your appointment, we ask that you call our admin team or send them an email. We will send appointment reminders in advance of your appointment, and we ask that if you need to reschedule or cancel your appointment, you do so at least 48 hours in advance, otherwise there will be a fee. We aim to provide the best service for our clients and are continually asking for feedback on our service. We have a client survey that we will email to you following your appointment, and we'd be grateful if you would take the time to complete this. Your views and opinions are very important to us at the Edinburgh Practice and help to improve our services. You can also leave us a Google review to help others in their research and decision-making process when choosing a mental health provider.